Okay, architecture students, I just wanted to show you a finished floor plan and give you some information on annotating in your floor plan. So I'm going to go over a couple of those. All right, so here is a floor plan. I believe this one is from a student last year, I do believe. Can't remember, maybe it's from someone this year. If it's yours, you can certainly claim it. But of course, we know we have to tag our rooms, and this is what the tag looks like. You got your room name on the top line, and then the area of that room on the bottom line. Okay, closets. You annotate your closets, but do not, or tag your closets, but do not put a square footage or an area in the closets because we don't count those in our living area square footage. Okay. And let's say garage, same thing. Garage just gets the word garage with no square footage underneath. And I should bring that down a size there. Okay, that's 1/4, that's 1/8. I think that's about the size of all the other ones is 1/8. But yeah, you want to make all of your tags the same size. You don't want to have some one size and then some the other. Okay. Also, there are some other annotations you have that are going to be smaller than your room tags, and they need to be smaller in order to separate them from the room tags. And that is places like this where we have, in this case, we have a beam. It's a 2x8 laminate beam. If you have beams like this in your drawing, then just go ahead and tag them as 2x8. We didn't really establish a size or anything of that nature. And up here a little bit, we see that there are another two beams that are indicated as 2x8 laminate. This one is not, but it's close enough to this one that they can assume that that is the same thing. This one, it's debatable whether it should be or not annotated, but if you have a question, I would go ahead and just annotate it. It doesn't take that much longer to do that. Right over here, there's a bar involved, and that bar is at 42 inches high. Okay, it's higher than the standard cabinet height, which the island and the cabinets over here on this side are standard cabinet heights. Okay, annotated to put a range hood over the top of this stove. And let's see, over here we have, there's actually a platform inside this utility closet. It's 18 inches off the ground. So we annotated 18-inch return air platform. That's what that is called. And then, of course, these doors, the doors don't go all the way down to the floor. Okay, the doors are actually cut off right there. Or they're cut off to accommodate the 18-inch platform. We're cutting those seal heights off at 20 inches because we're going to have a 2-inch seal on top of that platform. Okay, and that's why there's a difference between the door height and the platform height. Okay, but that is it for your annotations. And well, no, that's not it. We got some general notes down here at the bottom. Now make sure that you tag your drawing. Okay, label your drawing, floor plan, and then the scale, which is 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Okay, and I'm just going to get in here real quick. You can see that the scale is underlined. It should not be. So let's underline that. Okay, so floor plan, this is the scale you're drawing at, and then right here is the overall living area square footage. So that square footage is a total, totaling only the rooms, the hallways, living room, kitchen, master bedroom, bathrooms, dining room, and etc. Does not count the closets or the garage. Okay, and then here are the general notes. They really need to be brought down just a little bit, kind of crowding the label there. But make sure you're lined up as well. Neatness is very important. I've got this label lined up with the edge of the house, and then the general notes are also lined up with the edge of the house, and everything is perfectly justified right up under one another. But in general notes, you're just making a text box and you're writing all this stuff in there. These are very common general notes. Of course, your general notes could differ depending on the design. but for educational purposes, we're just using these general notes right here. So just type those right below your floor plan. Okay, and you also have general notes for your foundation plan. Now I put copies of those in Schoology, so you have a copy of the floor plan general notes. They are in the floor plan assignment area, and then you have the foundation plan general notes, and they are in the general notes for the foundation plan. And same thing here, you want to put foundation plan. That the label of the drawing is underlined, and then of course you got the scale right here. You don't need square footage for the garage. We do kind of want to line these up a little bit, because when you put them on your drawing, you do want them to all be the same, you know, page to page to page. They should all be the same. Okay, and of course you see a foundation right here with notes on it. There is a video also in the foundation plans assignment that tells you about these particular notes.